How to generate traffic using OnlyWire.com. About OnlyWire.com. OnlyWire.com is a complete and modern service that helps the internet marketers use social networking sites much more effectively in terms of bringing a good website traffic to their website and blogs. OnlyWire is the ultimate time saver. With just one click, you'll be able to submit your pages to the built-in software, which will take care of the rest, especially the submission process to all the social networking sites at once. This software is the perfect tool for generating tons of backlinks to your site, automatically submitting all your blog posts or documents to up to 40 different bookmarking and social media sites. How to generate traffic using OnlyWire.com. To generate a high traffic to your site, firstly you need to go to OnlyWire.com and sign up. Then set up an account on each social media and bookmarking site that you'll need OnlyWire.com for submitting. Install the submission button as an add-on to your favorite browsers because it will save you time greatly. Place the bookmark and share on your blog post or site, allowing your visitors to share a page they like on their social networking sites. An amazing feature of OnlyWire.com is the account management tool inside the program. This allows you to easily keep track of all your posts and shares online. Both free or paid membership accounts have practically the same benefits, but free members are required special codes in their blogs in order for the software to be allowed to advertise through them. Another exceptional tool of OnlyWire.com is the backlinks from all these platforms are automatically created for your blog or site, increasing your PR and also bringing tons of traffic to your site. As Google and other search engines love backlinks, OnlyWire.com will prove to be a great traffic generator and a perfect tool for sharing your content.